Hello everyone and welcome to our English 1B class online for summer 2020. My name is Danny Keener and I just wanted to say hello so that I'm not some disembodied name on a Canvas course, that you can see me and you can hear my voice and I can share a little bit about me so that, like I said, it's not just some name and no face on a computer. So, as I said, my name is Danny. I prefer to be called Danny. It's my name. I like to be called by my name. So, and there's no need to create hierarchy, right? It's just a super arbitrary kind of thing. So, don't call me professor, please. Call me Danny. If you don't feel comfortable calling me Danny, then you can call me Mr. Keener. That's okay too. Anyway, I have been I was born and raised in Southern California, and spent most of my life in Cypress, California. I don't know if any of you know where that is, but I'd be surprised. I currently reside in Lake Forest, California, with my wife. We have two wonderful children. One that's 3, the other is 1. So we're busy. Other than that, I went to school at Cal State Fullerton, right up the road from where I used to live. It was nice to be able to commute to college. I also had the opportunity to study abroad in London for a semester. So if you ever want to talk about that, I'd love to talk to you about that. I've been teaching at Chaffey College now for over a decade. It's been a wonderful opportunity. I adjuncted at Chaffey for a number of years before I was hired full-time. And I was super excited and ecstatic when I was hired full-time at Chaffey College because it is an awesome college. I love working here, especially because of the students, because of you. So that's my welcome to you. I hope you enjoy the class. We are going to be talking about a lot of interesting material, a lot of stuff that's going to be dense. So it's going to take a little while to get into, I think, but once you do, it's super rewarding. I approach this class as a rhetoric class. Okay, so what I mean by that is each author that we take a look at, we're taking a look at because they have a different kind of rhetoric. Right? They have a different way of writing for a different purpose. We'll start with Plato with allegory, Bacon with enumeration, and then we're kind of moving forward with many other different authors with different kinds of rhetorical styles that they use. So all of that to build your own use of rhetoric in your own writing, to develop your own voice, your own persuasive tactics in argumentative writing. And so we're going to have a lot of fun. This whole summer program is going to be focused around identity. We're using the book The Best We Could Do. So one of the big issues in that book is coming to terms with identity, trying to find one's own in one's parents' pasts. And so we're going to be building and thinking about our own identity and how that's shaped throughout the semester. Kind of questioning too our own beliefs and opinions on issues. And so it'll get interesting, I think, in terms of sharing our own beliefs, our own values, our own opinions, and quite frankly disagreeing with each other on those things. And that's okay. It'll be a fun sort of exercise in civilly disagreeing with each other, and but also learning from one another and seeing things from a different angle and a different point of view that you might not have thought of before. So I am very excited to start this semester with you, and I hope you are too. Here's to a wonderful summer semester. Cheers.